Okay, so let's start with the CA Inter GST amendments. Okay, this video is specifically for those students who are going to give their examinations in the September 2024 examinations and onwards. Okay, so in GST there is only one small amendment, and that too a very simple, just a small addition that we are required to do, that is applicable for the September 24 examination. As you all must be knowing, for September 24 examination, all the amendments till 29th February 2024, that is the cutoff date. Okay, you're going to write the exams in September, but all amendments till 29th Feb 2024 is applicable for your examinations. You must have already, okay, while your first time studies, you must have already covered all the amendments till 31st October 23. Okay, till 31st October 23, all your amendments are already included in your notes, in your books, etc. So now we are just supposed, okay, now we are just supposed to do the amendments from 1st November 2023 to 29th Feb 2024. And between this date, okay, for CA intermediate level, there is only one amendment, and that is there in the registration chapter. Okay, that is there in the registration chapter, and this amendment had come, as you can see here on the board. This amendment was notified by way of a notification on 17th November 2023. Just one, can you see something written in green here? Yes, only that much is to be added in your textbooks. Okay, the section which is written here, or the provision which is written here, that is already present in your books. Okay, that is already present in your book. You just have to add two terms there. That much is the amendment. Yes, now let's go to the amendment. Let's see what is there. And yes, one more thing. If you have my second edition book, CA Inter GST second edition book, then this amendment is already incorporated in your book. So you need not do any change. Just listen to the amendment now. Yes, okay. Now see what is this talking about. Now in registration, while studying registration chapter, we had studied something about Aadhaar based authentication. Okay, that while doing the registration, you are required to give your Aadhaar number, then you get a Aadhaar OTP. By putting that Aadhaar OTP, you verify your identity. Right, at the end of Aadhaar authentication, we had studied one paragraph. Okay, we have studied one paragraph which was talking about, that paragraph was talking about this risk-based biometric Aadhaar authentication. Okay, risk-based biometric Aadhaar authentication, a pilot project, a trial project was started in the state of Gujarat. So there they had told what was the provision. The provision was, suppose if I as a person, I apply for registration on the GST common portal, that is gst.gov.in. Okay, I go and apply on that particular portal, and the portal, okay, GST website identifies some risk. Okay, it identifies some risk that, okay, is this applicant genuine or not genuine? Okay, is this applicant a bogus applicant or a genuine applicant? If the portal is able to identify that, then in that case, they will not give me online registration because it is risky. So it will not give me online registration. It will tell me that please come to the GST centers. Okay, please come to the GST facilitation center, that is go to the GST offices. There submit all the documents. Your biometric thumb impression, etc. will be taken to check your identity and all those things. And only after they are satisfied, only after that they will give me the registration. Okay, this was the scenario, and this is what we have already studied. Okay, till now I have not told you the amendment. And another thing is, whatever they had done, okay, whatever we studied, whatever I told you now, this was just a pilot project. Okay, this was just a pilot project which they had started in the state of Gujarat, but now they have extended it. Okay, this is the addition, this is the amendment. Now they have extended it to the state of Puducherry and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so now it is applicable to Gujarat, it is applicable to Puducherry, as well as it is applicable to Andhra Pradesh. So in these particular states, if we are applying for the registration, and if the common portal comes to know that it has some risk involved, then they will not give me online registration. They will call me to their offices, they will check the identity, they will check all my documents, etc. And only after that, and after doing the biometric authentication, etc., only after that they will grant me the registration. Are you clear with this? So the amendment, what is the amendment? The only amendment is, earlier it was applicable only to Gujarat, now it is also applicable to Puducherry as well as Andhra Pradesh. Are you clear with this? Yes, so for September 24 examination, as such we can say that there is no amendment. Okay, just in your textbook also, wherever you find this particular paragraph, okay, if you are not using my textbook or if you are using the first edition of my book, then just add, okay, in the title itself, just add, besides Gujarat, just add Puducherry and Andhra Pradesh. I hope I am very, very clear till here, everyone. Yes, okay.